Hey everyone! If you've spent hours, maybe even days, perfecting your Notion workspace, and now you're ready to share that genius with the world, whether you're sending it to a friend or launching it on a marketplace, there's a specific way to share pages so others can actually use them. Today, I'm showing you the step-by-step 2026 guide to creating a professional shareable template. Let's get started. The first and most important step is cleaning your page. Remember, when someone duplicates your template, they see exactly what you see. You need to go through every database and remove your personal information. A pro tip here is to use dummy data. Instead of your actual grocery list or work tasks, use placeholders like sample task or insert date here. This keeps your privacy intact while showing the user exactly how the template is supposed to function. Now that your page is clean, look at the top right corner of your Notion window. You'll see a button that says Share. When you click this, a drop-down menu appears. Initially, it will show that the page is only shared with you. This is the control center for all your permissions, and we need to move past the Invite tab and over to the Publish tab to make this a public template. Inside the Publish tab, you'll see a blue button that says Publish to Web. Go ahead and click that. Notion will instantly generate a live URL for your page. But we aren't done yet. Look closely at the settings below the link. You must toggle Allow Duplicate as Template to the On position. Without this specific switch, people can see your page like a website, but they won't be able to save a copy for themselves. Take a moment to look at the other toggles. Usually, you want to keep Allow Comments and Allow Editing turned off. This ensures that people viewing your master link can't leave random messages or change your design. If you want your template to show up in Google searches, you can toggle on Search Engine Indexing, though this is typically a feature for paid Notion plans. Finally, click the Copy Web Link button. Before you send it out, I always recommend opening an incognito or private browser window and pasting the link there. This allows you to see the page exactly as a stranger would. You should see a bright Duplicate button in the top right corner. If that button is there and your personal data is gone, your template is officially ready for the world. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.